Alright, so what do we have here today?
This is a Nintendo Switch that won't turn on. Power button doesn't do anything. Plug it in. It's charging. It's pulling the correct voltage, but nothing on the screen. And no sounds out of the console. Doesn't appear to be on at all, even though it is charging. I'm going to start by checking the capacitors around the T92 USB-C charging IC. Well, first I'm going to disconnect the battery. In continuity mode, black probe on the ground. Capacitors can't actually... Anyway, this one here, the very far left side, it's beeping on both sides, which means it's shorted. And from my experience working on Nintendo Switches, that capacitor is actually linked to the MUX chip on the other side of the board. I'm going to take the board out and take a look. These are out, now the cables are unplugged. Let me lift it out. Make sure it's not snagged on anything. Here is the P13 chip, or the MUX chip, as it's also called. That switches between the LCD screen and the dock, switches the video between the two. So this chip is only on dockable switches, and that chip can go bad if something is plugged into USB port that is not supported or damaged, or it basically gets damaged when anything goes wrong in the port. You're on top. This one's usually the one that goes short. You can hear it is short. So we're going to take this chip off and replace it and see if that gets rid of our short and our problem. Alright, so to get this chip off, I'm going to be using our angled hot air nozzle at 365, 100 fan speed set at 100 on our clippings. I like to use for switchboards. Okay, it snapped into place. Push down. Heat it again. Some more flux on it. And then some more heat. Changed the chip and cleaned it up. Let's check to see if our short's still there. On this cap earlier, if you remember, it was shorted. And it is not. From the probe's touch, beeps, no beep.
Awesome. Let's put it back together.
Yep.
So Kevin here is doing an iPad. He's showing his first battery change here. How are you doing so far with it?
Oh, doing well. Just got
The camera's over here.
got through the old one. So went through, got all of the screen screws out, did all the got rid of all the adhesives and safely dispose of the old battery so we can slide in the new one and just get it screwed back in and hopefully up and running.
Awesome.
I'll connected. The power button. Hey.
Oh, well, look at this. It's alive.
Yep.
So there it was. What was that chip again?
That was the P13 chip. It's the MUX chip. It's in charge of video and switching between the screen and the dock. And when that goes bad, you have no video.
Alright, there you go, folks. Have a great day. Hit like and subscribe.